One of the staggering numbers for us to consider is that by 2025 we will have 2.2 billion tons of waste generated from our industry, which is absolutely incredible. And so us as designers and stakeholders, contractors, manufacturers, we all need to consider the life cycle of a project, and we need to start the process from when we commence to looking at what is going to happen to this item at the end of its life. That for us is really fundamental in our process.
We understand circular economy as the way of taking the product, the item, or the material back to nature. So that comprises many practices, from the material itself to even the manufacturing process and the assembly solutions that we provide. Materials that could be considered as circular.
I think having more upfront information on what the sustainable impact is on something, it makes it much more valuable and much more important to a client and their decision making. Okay, you have a warranty that lasts 5 to 10 years on your chair, but that's not the end of its life. There is an opportunity to have it taken back and either be reused, repurposed, stripped down, and you can then have credit, or you can, there's other ways. And I think from a financial standpoint, then that asset becomes more valuable to a company.
What we are seeing though is with the emergence of AI. So for example, waste bin tracking. When waste gets to a certain limit, then we know that then there will be a mechanism in place to then tow that waste away. So there's not any unnecessary visits or people taking half-empty bins. I think taking the human being element out of the system, so AI again will come in and be able to see a conveyor belt of rubbish and be able to pick and sort what's recyclable, what's rubbish, what's waste. I think that's the next step in terms of our industry.
Durability is at the key mindset of the company when designing products. Since we have a 10-year warranty, we cannot really overlook the durability on the products. Sustainability is also part of the DNA of the company, so this is very imprinted in the solutions that we provide. In economies today, we have customers that are not looking for the next 1 or 2 years. We have customers that are investing in long-term products, long-term solutions. Like an example, we could have a lounge in an airport that is being used for 10 years and the products could be there still. But that doesn't mean we're not working again with this customer, because this customer could be an agency, could be a government. They're going to have more airports, they're going to have more installations, and they're going to be looking into solutions that are providing the longevity that they need in the future.